Welcome to my vlog. It's all about fashion, travel, arts, logbook. Subscribe.
So hello guys, so today's vlog where I'm gonna show you my favorite collection from Thrift, which is an animal prints. So my animal print shirts and any clothes that I got from the Thrift, guys. So gonna show you before I start this vlog. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. It's Fashion Thrifter. Click the like and the notification bell. So let's start. So guys, let's start. What are my animal print from Thrift shop that I got? My animal print clothes that I got from the Thrift shop, guys. Are you ready? So this, I also have this, and of course this one, and I also have this. Yeah, so it's all animal print. Yeah, so we're going to start on my wear part. So I have this I got from the Thrift. It's a Victoria's Secret underwear, and it's I don't know, but this is an animal print, guys. So I'm not sure if it's a leopard or I think it's a leopard print. And I got this for 50 pesos or $1. Yeah, I'm so shy. And of course we're going to the sleepwear, and this is my I got this for only 10 pesos from the Thrift, and this is an H&M silk. Yeah, it's a silk sleepwear. So as you can see, so I'm planning to, if I have a sewing machine, I just want to make skirt plus top, sexy top from this, but I don't have sewing machine. So maybe later on. And I like this very much. So as you can see, the print, it's an animal print. It's very trendy, especially to a Y2K outfit. Yeah, it's so really nice, and I like this very much. So I got this for only 10 pesos each, and I like it, and it's branded. It's H&M brand. So I gonna keep this because it's very trendy style, especially when it's on top style. So it's like a top style. I like it very much. So as you can see, I like it very much. So guys, we're going to this shirt edition. So the shirt that I got, definitely I have 4 color of this shirt, but my violet, my other one, I just give to my sister. I'm gonna show you guys is this. It's a cow. I think this is a cow. Yeah, it's a cow print of shirt. It's a loose shirt. It's a tees. Yeah, so it's a loose shirt that I got from the Thrift, and I got this for, I think 3 for 100 or 50 pesos. Yeah, so I got this last year, or it's very nice, and I like the print. It's very chic, and it's very trendy, guys. So I like it very much. You can pair it with skirt, pants, or maybe don't wear pants because it's loose, and you wear a pants. Very nice. It's not very good. So I can pair with my short, sexy short, or pleated skirt or tennis skirt. It's very nice, especially white, pink, or black. So you can wear it like that. So I like it very much, and I'm gonna wear this on my next vlog. With my style Y2K or aesthetic outfit. So so I like this very much, and super really nice. I like it very much. I like the cow print style here. It's very nice, guys. I love this very much. And by the way, these shirts I already have a picture on this. So as you can see there, I already use this with my friends. It's Joyang, my best friends, my friends, It's Joyang. So yeah, we have a twin. Supposedly she will not get the pink, but I told her that you need to get that because we have a couple, a partner, a friendship shirt. So we already have that. We have friendship shirt, and yeah, we have a bonding with that. Going to mall. Yeah, so really nice, and I love it very much. So we have a good memories with my friend with this shirt. Yeah. So we're going to the second one. So this one. This is my other leopard. Yeah, I think it's another leopard because it's not a cow. It's like that one. And it's almost same with the first one. So I totally love this one. I use it for my homeware. Yeah, it's homeware. And yeah, it's really nice. It's very comfortable. And yeah, I like the design. It's very nice, and I use this guys most of the time, so you know I like it very much. And I got this for only 100 pesos. Yeah, so I like it very much. This is my second one in a color green, blue green. Yeah, I don't know. It's like that. Yeah, so I totally in love with the prints of this one. My last piece that I have right now is this green color. Yeah, it's lighter green than the other one, and I love very much this one. I already used this many times. As you can see on my previous vlog, I already used this one, and I got this for only 35 pesos. Yeah, so here I like it very much. I like the prints. You know, I love colorful outfits. I love. Yeah, it depends on my mood. I can use all colors. Depends on my mood and my feeling. Yeah, guys. So I'm in love with these prints, and yeah, I'm collecting these kinds of shirts. So wish I have a lot. Yeah, we have this violet color of this one. So as you can see here, I already used that, but it's on my sister. I gave it to my sister. Yeah, so I'm in love with this one, but I think I'm gonna get the color. We'll get it back to me because it's my collection and I love it very much. So in love with this one. So I can wear it with it's very nice to wear it with skirt. Better to wear skirts or sexy shorts, but I'm going with the skirts, especially tennis skirt. Very nice. So you can wear with black or white tennis skirts. Really nice, and yeah, super love it. Before I just got to the next one, so we're going to my formal attire. Charot. It's my formal that I got from the Thrift, and this is 2017 or 2016, I forgot. I always use this during my work time as a lawyer, with different companies, and it's very nice. As you can see, the color, it's like a tiger. I don't know if this is a tiger or I think it's a tiger or leopard, like that. And I think it's tiger. It's like a tiger print, and it's very nice. It's an authentic Chico's. It's made in Thailand, so I like the quality. It's like good. Even you don't iron this formal wear, but guys, it's super nice, and I like it very much. There's a style here at the bottom part. Yes, as you can see here. Yeah, so I like it very much. You can go with different outfits with this one. So I like it very much. And I got this from my place, my hometown, Taguig Valley, and I got this for 150 pesos. It's expensive, but yeah, I use it many times, 100 times. Yeah, super comfortable, and I like it very much. I like the quality of this. And of course, the last one, the last formal long sleeve. Yeah, it's a long sleeve with this color. It's so really nice that I got from the Thrift. And this is one of the memorable animal prints that I got from the Thrift. So I got this from La Union, where I got my passport. So while getting my passport, so it's after that, while waiting for my passport to release, so of course I need to gala time to visit different store there, since it's a mall type that venue for the passport. So I go on the try to tour on that mini mall and some thrift shop, and just try to, you know, I bought different drops. So I got this long sleeve there, and I got it for only 80 pesos or 50 pesos or 100 pesos. I forgot, and yeah, I like it very much. So nice. I use it many times, but it's still good as new. You know, I use it many times. Same with this one. I use this many times and still good as new because I always wear, especially my clothes for formals, and I can use it many times, and I love it very much. So we're going to the last part. The last part is this skirt. This skirt. It's an animal print skirt, and I love it very much. I love it very much. Look, I have a bags, I have different animal accessories or animal wares, and this is my skirt that I got from the Thrift, and I got it for only 10 pesos. Yeah, I remember it's 10 pesos, and super nice. By the way, there's a pair of this one. It's a pair jacket, but I already sold the jacket. Yeah, but it's okay because I know I can find a lot of treasure from Thrift, so it's totally nice. And yeah, I like it very much. I like this one, super nice, and it fits me. So before I went to try on try this animal print. So please don't forget to subscribe my channel. It's Fashion Thrift. Click the like and the notification bell. So let's start try on fit trying. Yeah, so let's start.
watching.